Hey everybody, welcome back to Shiny Shopping Saga. So we're getting ready to walk inside of Big Lots. So we're here in Big Lots and I see they have out there Easter, Valentine's, and St. Patrick's. So we're gonna start off with the Valentine. Right now these socks are $3. These are cute. I love you. Chocolate. There's no other me. Cocoa nuts about you. These cute little llamas. I'm not gonna press him because I know he's gonna dance straight off that shelf. Got a llama, love you. This one says love, has on a little hoodie. It's $10. That's cute, but I'm not gonna go through all of the stuffed animals. I wanna look at some of the decor. Oh, here their giant bears are $26. And Walmart, I think they were what, $38? I can't remember. But right here it says our love is magic. This is $6. With my whole heart for my whole life. Love never fails. This cute sign. Be mine. This is $6. Forever and ever. You make my heart smile. It's $6. Right here, this is like a cute little picture. I can't think of it, but it holds pictures. It's $5. And then they have it here in pink. It says soulmates. Right here, love you to the moon and back. This one is $8. This one says love. It is $6. Another one, love. Welcome. This one right here says love. It's $12. They have these little hearts everywhere. Little heart garlands, and then they have more of the garland here. Here is $6. They have these cute little picks, just like they had in Walmart. They're $4 here though. The cute little Valentine unicorn, she's $14. The llama decoration. This giant bear, he's $35. He's in the wrong spot, but he's sitting there just chilling. I have this cute love sign. It's $10. Cute LED clips. These are $8. The heart-shaped succulents. I see red and pink. These are $4. They have the red one. Right here they have the cute XO sign with the like lace string on the nails. This is $6. Fall in love every day, $6. Let all you do be done in love. More of those. So I love you like a lot. A lot. It's $6. The sign says home with the heart as the O. $6. Home is where the heart is. This is cute. The rose gold and the gold type of color. Blush pink. This is $12 for this one. The cute mug glass. It has the heart on the inside of it. And on the handle, this is $4. Cute little tins. It says be mine. Is this a candle? Yeah. Be mine. You also have it in light pink. I love you. The heart's on the outside of it. More candles. It's cute. Short sleeve t-shirt. That's pretty. It looks nice and comfortable too. Feels comfy. It's $12. Right here, this sign says love you more, love you most. $7. This frame. I love you. Some coordinated sleeping. Okay. The pants, pajama pants. It's a t-shirt. It says love. Be my Valentine. Sleep shirt. Pillows down here. It says sweet dreams, my love. What's the gray one say? XO. Oh, I almost missed this one. This one is cute. It says kiss me. You plus me. Heart. Oh, this one too. Love Us. It's a meter. It's $3. This one says Kiss Me. $6. Love Is in the Air. Oh, this is what the bear is sitting on. That's why he's sitting here. He on a pillow. P.S. I love you. Okay, so they have the Easter out over here in the Easter section. This is cute. The Peeps, $7. $4 for the bunny. They have it in brown and white with the blue sweater, brown with the pink sweater. It's pretty. This garland is $6. Purple with the eggs. Then they have pink with the eggs. And right here they have $6 for the garland. $3 for the bunny. The egg wreath. This is cute. Welcome Spring. $6. I think it turns to, right? Yeah. And then they have it here. Happy Easter. Here the sign says welcome with the bunny. It's 10. Right here, oh, I like this with the little eggs there. This one is 18. Happy Easter. The cute little door hanger is 6. Right here, the window, the bunny hopping through is 18. This one is 8 with the bunnies with the back turned with the little button, the little puff ball bunny tails. Happy Easter. These are 12. Easter. I have it in this one, this version. The statue down here is 22. Right here they have these cute little egg trees. These are 12. Some more of the little pics. These are 4 with the bunnies and the eggs. These right here are 10. Cute Easter sign. This is 14 for that. Cute little truck with the Easter bunny on top of it. This one is 14. It says Happy Easter. Right here, this one is really pretty. It's the Easter bunny. It says Easter with the eggs on top. This one is $8. Right here, this one, the bunny is 12. And then these guys are sitting here. These are 10. These flowers over here are pretty. These are 8. This one here too, these are 12. And this is 18. They have more of the Easter decor. This one is 22. This one is 22. And they have the cross for 12. It's shaped like an Easter bunny. 16, shaped like an Easter basket. This is pretty. I like this one. 14. 24. 14. 16. Oh, this is cute, like a little hat. Some garland. The garland are 7. This one is 20. This one right here is 20. Some more flower picks. 16. The candles, 18. Oh, it already has a little fake imitation candle in it. 18. More garland down here, 18. Those reefs are $22. They have some St. Patrick's Day, so these little glasses are $2.50. Little coins, these are $1. See, green. So scarves are $3. Black and green, and white and green. Oh, this is a cute headband. This is really cute. I like this. It's like a unicorn. It's $2.50. The hat, it says Lucky. It's $5. The cute little flower headband for $2.50. They have the suspenders for $4. What's this? Like the light up? Let's see. We're just rearranging everything. These light up. These are $3. The cute little hat, St. Patrick's Day hats with the shot glasses on them. These are $6. Wait, are these $6? No, these are $10. And these are $6. Some cute decor. Says welcome. This is $10. This one is $8. This one is $3.50. This little skirt is $8. The garland for $6. The big clover is $7. It says Lucky, all folded out. It's cute. $7. It says welcome. I don't see the price on it. This guy sitting here is $12. You're my lucky charm. $3. Some more down here. This one is $6. The other decor like they had in the Valentine. Lucky enough to be Irish. And they have some socks over here too. All of the socks are $3. The different clover prints. Some little earrings, some little buttons. These are $125. Little bracelets, $125. Confetti. These glasses are $125. The cup holders $125, and then the necklaces. Oh, the little shot glass necklace. I had to come back over here because I skipped these little mugs. These mugs are cute. It says hugs and kisses, and it has a little pom-pom outside of it. It's $5. Yeah, I think that's the only one I skipped. And this one is $5. And they have some more cute little flowers over here. So this one is $16. This one right here is $6. They have these. These are $22. This one is $10. Right here, this one. This one is $8. Oh, I just lost a pebble. This one is $7. This one is $6. This one is $6. And they have some little mini ones right here. The picture holders, these are $4. These down here are $4. They have different colors. They're really cute. This one is $12. This one is $6. The little pineapple shaped one. This one is $6. But I think I'm gonna wrap it up here because we saw everything that they had. These are cute. This is a llama. This is $4. Then they have the elephant. Ooh, good catch. And this one is $4. So I'm still in Big Lots, and they have all of this cute, I guess, what would you call it? Like beach type of theme stuff over here. So this one says all you need is love and the beach, and life is better at the beach. And it's $7. Nothing soothes like the soul, like a walk on the beach. You, me, and the sea. This is really pretty. And they have the cute little whale here. Here's $5. I see him in silver and in blue. Right here, this one says relax. Cute little pearls. It's cute. $6 for that. And the candle. Tropical coconut. $8. The cute little fish. I see it in blue and silver. Yeah. Renew, relax, refresh. It's cute little pillows. Beach more, worry less. The starfish. Oh, this is cute. It's a photo frame little chair. It's $10. The cute little vases. These are $12. The sea is calling. My heart sleeps by the sea. You are the only wish in the sea for me. They have some cute rugs. Take time to coast. You may always have a show in your pocket and sand between your toes. $6. Like on the sea is the best place to be. Life on the sea is the best place to be. These cute little things. The bigger one is $12 and the smaller one is $10. The candle holders. So I have more candles up here. These are $6. Refresh, relax. Sea mist. These are $5. Happiness and sunshine, white sand. These are $5. Sea salt heals everything. These colors over here look nice and fresh. So it says believe. These are $8. Happy, high, and yum. Can't really see the high that much, right? High. This one says blessed. Yum. You can't buy love, but you can rescue it. You, me, and the dog. This is cute too. Greetings. And love. Be happy, be bright, be you. Hello, gorgeous. This is $6. Head honcho. Always be joyful. This is $9. Oh, it's on sale for $5.99. Okay. You are my happily ever after. But I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough with Big Lots, and I hope to see you in the next video.